Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing y'all this herb4K preset I made. There's, well, actually two presets, is ad-lib and main presets. And this song is gonna drop on SoundCloud soon, so make sure to follow it. Check the description, and I'm gonna just show y'all it. So I'm gonna play the song with the beat and then without the beat. So let's get into it. New play Jane, I'm a wrist, you wanna look at it. Better go top down, finna walk down, grab his chain, yeah, we finna snatch it. Smoke me a zip, nigga, finna green out at my room, I was fucking panic. I got me a mask with a Nike tag. I started a block, it's when I get tragic. Okay, so that's with the beat, and then let me mute the beat, and I'll show y'all. You'll be able to hear the presets more better, so let's get right into it. New play Jane, I'm a wrist, you wanna look at it. Better go top down, finna walk down, grab his chain, yeah, we finna snatch it. Smoke me a zip, nigga, finna green out at my room, I was fucking panic. I got me a mask with a Nike tag. I started a block, it's when I get tragic. And those are the two presets. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the presets right now. For the people who say like the links doesn't work, just copy these settings, so let's get right into it. Oh, wrong thing. Make sure you pause the video. I'm not gonna like go slow, so make sure you pause it. Okay, that's the main preset. And now for the ad-libs. I'm gonna go back. That was kind of fast. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And yeah, I'm trying to reach 100 subs soon, so yeah, but love y'all, I guess. Bye.